Can you tell us or tell the members a little bit about your experience with RN Guardian? Greg's one of our charter members and is actually has been with us for quite a while. So Greg, if you could just talk about how you found RN Guardian, the value you saw in it, and now that you're actually under investigation, the value you see in it now.
Okay. Originally, I found RN Guardian because I was just surfing the web after all this stuff had happened with my employer, and that was like 2.5 years ago, and now the BRN has finally decided to accuse me and hold a hearing and the rest of that. But at that time, 2.5 years ago, I was surfing the web and I'd found RN Guardian, and as I read what the idea of RN Guardian was that a way to protect, for nurses to protect their license against the Board of Registered Nursing if an accusation was filed, and provide for all the legal defense for a low cost every month. To me, that was a no-brainer. I figured if number one, if I was ever investigated, and now it turns out that I am, but if I was ever investigated, I wasn't going to represent myself. I'm not an attorney. I don't know the laws. Just like I wouldn't expect a plumber to take over nursing care for his mother.
Right.
That's my job. That's my area of expertise. That's what I do. I want an attorney to represent me. The problem usually is cost.
Right.
If I had to go out and get an attorney, $3,000 to $5,000.
Well, your conference with Laura this morning, I mean, you've been at this, you've been here for about 3 hours or so?
Yeah, just about 3 hours.
And at $250 a pop for Laura's time, plus the
Right.
consultation before. I mean, even just getting you to this point, you'd be $5,000-6,000 in, right?
Yeah. And yeah, I don't have that kind of money. I have a house that I'm paying off.
Mm-hmm.
I have a young family. I have regular bills. I have student loans.
Mm-hmm.
And so I don't have that extra money sitting around. Nurses get paid well, but not that well.
Right.
And for the low monthly cost, I thought it was a no-brainer, because for the cost of 2 lattes at Starbucks, and most nurses drink coffee, you don't have to worry about it. There's insurance companies out there for malpractice insurance. One of the aspects they offer is license defense or license protection. But the only ones I've seen are only reimbursable,
Mm-hmm.
and they cap at $10,000.
That's right.
Well,
You're halfway there
I'm
already.
halfway there already, and I'm not even in the courtroom.
Right.
With RN Guardian, all the deposition costs, all the attorney fees, everything is covered.
Right.
I haven't paid a dime other than what I pay every month.
Right.